utama dan juga 3 small group sessions. Mudah-mudahan di 1 hari setengah ini kita benar-benar bisa memperakrab lah kita sebagai satu cohort.
Kadang-kadang I would like drop by, terus I would like try to play with them.
Nah, aku ngefans banget sama bawa petir gitu.
Iya, itu ide nanti.
I really think stories are really powerful because one, they create that initial connection, and stories are also much more memorable. People remember stories, but people don't remember random facts here and there.
Itu aku sadar bahwa program ini bukan hanya membuka langkahku untuk menciptakan diriku yang lebih baik, tapi juga untuk giving back to society atau komunitas yang ada. Dan aku percaya bahwa program ini sangat bermanfaat buat kita semua.
I've got to learn so many from Kak Maudy herself as well as from fellow candidates as well. It's been very interactive, very mind-provoking, and yeah, we got to discuss so many things together and learn together. It was a very fun experience.
Aku ngelihat Kak Maudy itu sebagai selebriti, sebagai orang yang mungkin unreachable gitu. Tapi setelah aku sekarang, dimana kita bisa bercerita dengan dia, berbagi masalah, dan juga aku tahu bahwa we are vulnerable just as like her gitu. Menjadi bagian daripada mentorship Maudy Ayunda, aku ngerasa kalau Kak Maudy itu lebih kepada seperti sister atau kakak aku sendiri gitu.
You know what the weakness is of trying to sound smart? Sometimes it prevents you from creating connection because you end up talking at the people. You're talking at, you're not talking to and with. You're less of a good listener as well because you're too focused on creating an impression gitu, and not a connection.
Aha moment di MA Mentorship Program, there's a lot. But I think yang paling stand out itu adalah aku ngerasa ternyata Kak Maudy itu sendiri sangat passion about goals-nya ini, tentang programnya ini. Karena saat aku kaget banget waktu ketika FGD dan selection process interview, Kak Maudy itu ikut sendiri untuk get in touch with us, untuk seleksi kita. Jadi kita benar-benar terasa dekat sama Kak Maudy walaupun itu masih di seleksi proses. Jadi she's really passionate about her goals.
Ada beberapa tuh, salah satunya itu when Kak Maudy pertama datang, that's like the number one moment. I was like, wow, okay, like this person is actually a real like human being. You know, I feel like people always like, wow, it's such a big celebrity. But she actually came in, and especially when I met her in person, it's like a pretty big aha moment. I think the second one, which is actually probably the biggest, is just meeting the people and get, wow, ini orang tuh very articulate and they have a lot of different projects that they have ongoing. And this is something that I think I'm pretty interested in. Seeing other people bring to life what they are passionate about is something that I personally am interested in, and seeing people talk about what project they have with a lot of passion, that's something that I think was a big aha moment when I first entered the program.
Nah, kalau kita ngomong produk, itu berarti ini kita lagi market research, mungkin kita lagi FGD, focus group discussion gitu ya. Tapi when it comes to our own lives, what do I mean here by empathizing? It means being empathetic to yourself. Jadi instead of doing an FGD to your consumers, you're doing an internal group discussion with yourself.
Apa rasanya gagal? Wah, I know exactly apa rasanya gagal, dan I know exactly how to learn dari sebuah kegagalan. And it's okay, masih muda kan? Ada yang punya anak udah 3 sih? Mungkin ada, and it's okay, to be fair. Gak ada kan orang ngambil kanvas terus langsung jadi Mona Lisa, gak ada.
I think people should join this program, number one, and mostly for the community. The people you get to meet here are all ambitious, are driven, and sometimes when it comes to universities, we don't get to meet the same community of people who are building and who are actually supportive of each other, pursuing their own interests and pursuing their own passions. So if you want to meet other people who are like-minded and you want to create this like strong community, I think the Maudy Mentorship Program is the place to be.
Menurutku Maudy Ayunda program scholarship dan mentorship program ini adalah salah satu program yang bakal membuka banyak sekali sudut pandang baru membuka lebih banyak cara untuk kita untuk terus bertumbuh. Dan aku percaya bahwa program ini pula akan menjadi life changing moment buat kita semua untuk menjadi lebih baik ke depannya.
Definitely you should join because this is an opportunity to learn, to get exposed to the different cultures, to the different people with different backgrounds, to the lessons firsthand from Kak Maudy herself, which is very, very interesting and so full of knowledge. So you should get yourself applied.
Basically, today marks the end of the mentorship and scholarship program for our second cohort. Rasanya tuh bittersweet banget karena sekarang total 10 lebih sesi bareng teman-teman mentees. Ada 32 of them this cohort and I'm just so grateful for them for showing up. Yang menarik juga sebenarnya dalam proses ini tuh aku ngerasa belajar lebih banyak sih dari mereka dibanding mereka belajar dari aku kali ya. Karena mereka semua tuh datang dari bidang yang berbeda-beda, research topik yang menarik-menarik banget. Jadi even dari pertanyaan mereka aja, mereka tuh selalu memberikan kayak warna dan insight gitu selama sesi-sesi ini. And I learned so much from them. Mudah-mudahan komunitas ini bisa menjadi atau membawa ripple effect buat Indonesia. Karena perubahan itu benar-benar nggak bisa dicapai oleh satu orang aja gitu. Kita benar-benar harus rame-rame and I feel like this is my attempt at creating that ripple effect by empowering and supporting these young individuals who they themselves have the power and have ideas that can change and improve their communities.